Hello class 6 students, welcome to my channel. Today we will study all the important question answers from chapter 2, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. This chapter is very important for your exams. If you are new to my channel, subscribe now and I will explain class 6 English NCERT book chapters in simple Hindi. So let's start the question answers. Question number 1. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? Means कुत्ते को मालिक की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी? And the answer is the dog was sick of his life. कुत्ता अपने जीवन से तंग आ चुका था. He was afraid of others. वह दूसरों से डरता था. So he wanted a strong master to protect him. इसलिए उसे एक ताकतवर मालिक चाहिए था जो उसकी रक्षा करे. Now the question number 2. Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? कुत्ते ने पहला किसे अपना मालिक चुना और क्यों छोड़ दिया? Answer is he first chose the wolf. उसने पहले भेड़िए को चुना. But the wolf was afraid of the bear. लेकिन भेड़िया भालू से डरता था. So the dog left him. इसलिए कुत्ता समझ गया कि भेड़िया सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है और उसे छोड़ दिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Who did he choose next? अब वुल्फ के बाद उसने किसको चुना था? आंसर इज he chose the bear next. उसने अगला भालू को चुना. Why? Because the bear was stronger than the wolf. क्योंकि भालू भेड़िए से ज्यादा ताकतवर था, इसलिए उसने किसको चुना? भालू को. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? Means उसने शेर की बहुत समय तक सेवा क्यों की? Answer is he served the lion for a long time because he thought the lion was the strongest. उसे लगता था कि शेर सबसे ताकतवर है. All animals were afraid of the lion. सभी जानवर शेर से डरते थे. So the dog felt safe with him. इसलिए कुत्ता उसके साथ सेफ महसूस करता था. Question number 5. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? Now this question means अंत में उसने किसे अपना मालिक चुना और क्यों? And the answer is finally he chose man. अंत में उसने इंसान को चुना. Why? Because he saw that even the lion was afraid of man. उसने देखा कि शेर भी इंसान से डरता था. So man was the strongest. तो कुत्ते को समझ आ गया कि मैन ही सबसे ताकतवर है. That's why even today dog is man's best friend. Now let's start the quick revision of chapter 2. एग्जाम से पहले ये देख लो, सब याद हो जाएगा. First, the dog chose the wolf as his master, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. Then the dog chose the bear, but the bear was afraid of the lion. Then he chose the lion, but even the lion was afraid of man. Finally, he chose the man as his master, and at this point, it proved that human is the strongest person on this earth. That's why the dog is man's best friend. If this video helped you, please like the video and share it with your class 6 friends. For more class 6 NCERT English chapter summaries and question answers, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. If you have any doubt, comment below. All the best for your exams. Bye bye. See you in the next chapter.